Hey there Luxo lovers! Today we're putting the spotlight on the Porsche 911 ST and asking the big question, is this the best Porsche ever? We think so. But yeah, we're here to find out. By sticking with us till the end, you'll discover exactly why this car might just be the pinnacle of Porsche's craftsmanship. So buckle up, give Luxo-Life some love, and let's start this ride. Pinnacle of pure driving pleasure. Let's start by exploring how the Porsche 911 ST epitomizes the essence of pure driving pleasure. At the heart of this remarkable machine lies its naturally aspirated 4-liter flat-six engine, derived from the revered GT3 RS, yet tuned to deliver a distinct experience. This engine not only promises to thrill with its responsive power, but also sings a mechanical symphony that resonates with driving enthusiasts. Unlike turbocharged variants, this naturally aspirated engine ensures that the driver feels every nuance of power delivery, making the connection between car and driver seamless and intimate. Porsche has taken an uncompromising approach to weight reduction in the 911 ST, stripping it back to the essentials to enhance its agility and responsiveness. The use of carbon fiber for the body and critical component not only sheds weight but also lowers the car's center of gravity, contributing to its nimble handling. Every element, from the lightweight windows to the absence of rear-wheel steering, is designed to keep the car's performance pure and focused. This commitment to weight reduction allows the 911 ST to offer an exhilarating drive that's both raw and refined. When comparing the 911 ST to other models in the Porsche lineup, its unique character becomes even more evident. While models like the GT3 are honed for track performance with sharper aerodynamics and more aggressive setups, the 911 ST is crafted for the pure joy of road driving. Technological simplicity versus modern complexity. Now let's discuss the design philosophy behind the Porsche 911 ST, which stands out for its focus on technological simplicity. This car takes a step back from the trend of packing vehicles with advanced tech, instead opting for a more straightforward and intuitive driving experience. By omitting features like rear-wheel steering, the 911 ST prioritizes direct and unfiltered handling. This simplicity is not about stripping down the car to its bare bones, rather, it's about honing in on what truly enhances driving enjoyment. Its interior mirrors this philosophy of reduced complexity. It features a simpler layout compared to other high-performance vehicles, which often feature screens and an array of buttons that can overwhelm the driver. The minimalistic approach in the 911 ST's cabin means fewer distractions, allowing drivers to focus on the road and the feel of the car. This is particularly appealing to purists who believe that driving should be a tactile experience, where engagements with the vehicle and the road takes precedence over digital interactions. Contrast this with more technologically loaded models in the Porsche lineup and beyond, where multiple driving modes, adjustable suspensions, and digital displays dominate. These features, while enhancing performance and comfort, can sometimes create a buffer between the driver and the pure sensations of driving. In models like the 911 ST, the lack of such technology means that the feedback from the steering, brakes, and acceleration is more pronounced and immediate. This direct feedback is crucial for drivers who cherish a more connected and authentic driving experience. Limited edition exclusivity. Did you know that the Porsche 911 ST is not just a car, but a collector's dream? Its production has been deliberately limited to 1,963 units, marking it as a rare gem in the automotive world. This scarcity inherently boosts its desirability among enthusiasts and collectors. The limited number is no random figure. It pays homage to the year 1963, when the first 911 model made its debut. Such a nod to its origins adds a layer of historical significance that deepens its appeal, making it not just a car but a piece of Porsche's storied legacy. The exclusivity of the 911 ST goes beyond its limited production. This strategy creates a sense of urgency among potential buyers, knowing that only a few will have the chance to own such a prestigious vehicle. It also ensures that the car remains a symbol of status and luxury in the eyes of the public and within the automotive community. Owners of the 911 ST are part of an exclusive club that possesses a tangible piece of Porsche history, enhanced by modern engineering and classic design cues that echo the brand's pioneering days. Comparison with historical models. Now let's compare the 911 ST to iconic predecessors like the 911 Carrera RS 2.7, known for its remarkable performance and historical impact in the world of sports cars. The Carrera RS 2.7, launched in the early 70s, became famous for its distinctive styling, lightweight construction, and powerful engine, setting a high bar for what a sports car could be. In this light, the 911 ST draws direct inspiration from this legend, aiming to encapsulate the same spirit but with modern enhancements that speak to today's drivers. The 911 ST has taken cues from its predecessors in performance and design, but has pushed the boundaries with newer technology and engineering. It boasts advanced materials for reduced weight, a more potent and refined engine, and improved aerodynamics. This not only honors the legacy of models like the Carrera RS 2.7, but also elevates the driving experience to meet contemporary expectations. The balance of historical homage and modern innovation is a delicate task, yet the 911 ST manages to achieve it, offering a drive that is both exhilarating and nostalgically satisfying. Furthermore, in terms of design, while the Carrera RS 2.7 featured the iconic ducktail rear spoiler, the 911 ST incorporates subtle design elements that nod to its heritage without feeling dated. This approach appeals to both longtime Porsche enthusiasts and new fans who value both performance and a connection to the brand's illustrious past. By integrating modern design with historical elements, the 911 ST creates a visual link that enhances its desirability and marks it as a collector's item. Manual transmission and weight reduction strategies. Now it's time to discuss the manual transmission and weight reduction strategies in the Porsche 911 ST. In a world quickly embracing automatic and electric vehicles, the 911 ST's choice to offer a manual transmission serves as a nod to driving purists who cherish the tactile engagement and control offered by manually shifting gears. This approach not only preserves a cherished aspect of classic car driving, but also enhances the emotional connection between the driver and the vehicle. It's a rare experience in today's automated vehicle landscape, making it especially appealing to those who love the art of driving. Turning to the car's weight reduction strategies, the 911 ST incorporates several advanced measures such as the extensive use of carbon fiber and the deliberate omission of rear-wheel steering. These choices significantly decrease the vehicle's weight, leading to improved agility and speed, which are crucial for the sports car's performance. The reduction in weight not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also improves the car's responsiveness, making it feel more alive and connected to the road. Future collectability and investment potential. Given its limited production and unique features, the Porsche 911 ST holds promise as a future collectible. With only 1,963 units produced to commemorate the 911's anniversary, it's already a rare find in the automotive world. When considering its investment potential, the 911 ST presents an intriguing opportunity. Its exclusivity and historical significance mean that demand is likely to remain strong among enthusiasts and collectors alike. As time passes and the number of available units dwindles, the value of the 911 ST is expected to appreciate, offering potential returns for those who acquire one early on. Before we wrap up Luxo lovers, based on what you've seen today, do you think the Porsche 911 ST is the best Porsche ever? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow Porsche fans. And if you're new here, subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for tuning in, Luxo lovers. See you in the next video.